Curious about a case that could wreck your workplace? Lucky for you, we have a lawyer on the clock.
All right, so another one that I want to talk about, Phil, and I think this is really important for employers to be aware of these days. The current presidential administration, the Trump administration, has been pushing the Department of Homeland Security to accelerate the pace of deportations. And just yesterday, Trump's border czar, Tom Homan, said that federal agents are going to, quote unquote, pour into sanctuary cities and then increase enforcement operations at places of employment as the administration looks to ramp up its deportation push. And so I just raised this from the standpoint that employers should be up to speed on what their obligations are if ICE, Immigrations, Customs Enforcement, or Department of Homeland Security would show up at work and demand access to employees for the possibility of arresting and deporting employees. Employers would be wise to kind of brush up on what their obligations are to let ICE in and to cooperate. And so, basically the bottom line is that ICE is a law enforcement agency, and they have the authority to enter a workplace, or if they show up with a warrant, or really with a warrant, they have the authority to come in and start investigating. And you just want to brush up on what your obligations are as an employer to cooperate. And I know that we can provide guidance on that to employers who might be concerned.
Yeah. So to me, if I'm familiar, remember a little bit about that. There is an issue of they would probably demonstrate that they have a warrant. If they don't have a warrant, we want to handle that a little bit like an OSHA investigation. Let's invite them, get them comfortable, contact your lawyer, and work it from there. Yeah.
Yeah. For the most part, I
didn't have a warrant. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's correct. But keep in mind that because they are an actual law enforcement agency, if they have some sort of probable cause to come on your premises, then they may not need the actual warrant. My advice to the employers is try to cooperate, minimize the disruption of this, and work with the federal agency to accomplish what they're there to accomplish.